All right, class, true or false?
False!
And that, everyone, is why it's important to study. Thank you. Wait, now, did you all finish your essays? Ryan? Detention!
What?
Why? You only did half the work. The word count for the essay is 600 words. You only have 300 words there. Can we talk about the teacher reading 300 words in like 3 seconds?
Shut it, Gregory!
Why do you have only 300 words written down? Read it twice. Listen, class, if you study hard and do the work, you'll become rich and successful. Why didn't you?
Get out!